Hi and welcome to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Chris and I manage online websites. On this channel, I go over some of the processes I use, some of the tools I use, and also I'll be testing out some new software. So if that is of interest to you and you're interested in seeing how I manage all these online properties, go ahead and like and subscribe. Okay, so in this video, we were designing a website, which is Brainstorm SEO, and we used it. We designed it using the Extra theme by Elegant Themes, which I like to use for a lot of the blogs that I create. One of the things, and this is, you can check out previous videos, and this is where we got to. There's no real content in here, but this is basically how what it looks like right now. One of the things that I like about Elegant Themes and Extra, which is built on Elegant Themes' other theme called Divi, is that you can load up templates to make the site just look really, really nice off of the gate. One of the problems that people run into when they use Extra, which is their magazine theme, is that many people don't know how to load up the templates. So I'm going to design this front page with just some more filler content, but I'll show you how to load in a template. So we're gonna do this using a staging website, which is just a replica website, and that's why I really like my host WPX hosting, because with WPX hosting, you just come in here, which is Brainstorm SEO, and you're just gonna go to create staging, and then you just wait a couple of minutes, and it creates this site right here, staging at Brainstorm SEO. So you can see that it's just a replica of the website. So we can actually make changes to the staging site, and then once we're happy with it, we can go ahead and just merge it to the original site. So let's go in here, Brainstorm SEO, and let's go to the dashboard. And let's go ahead and create the home page. And the way you do that is we're just gonna go here and add a new page. And this time we're gonna use the Divi builder. And right here, you can build from scratch, choose from a pre-made layout, or clone existing page. So let's go ahead and use a pre-made layout. So here are all the templates that you can load into the website. So let's go ahead and just find something that you like. And as you can see, just using one of these is going to make your site just really nice. So let's see. Let's go down here. I'm just going to see something that I like. And basically, I mean, you could pretty much use any of these templates and just kind of rearrange it and change it to just what you like. Like we're going to go in here and just even change pictures and text, and it doesn't actually have to be, for example, this is pest control layout. Well, you don't have to have a pest control company. You could just use that template to make it the way that your site is. So for example, let's use my co-working space. Let's go ahead and use this one. So in here, you have different layouts that you can use. Let's go ahead and use the home one. So we're just going to come here, use this layout. Okay. So before you do this, you need to authenticate your Elegant Themes subscription. So we're going to come in here and let's just use... Alright, and then let's get to that API key, and you can find the API key there. So we're just going to come down here, and let's click to copy that. Then once you do that, it's going to load it up, and you should be able to use it. Okay, so here is what it looks like on Extra Themes, okay? What it's supposed to look like. Let's see if I can show you guys. If we can go back here. anyways, what it's supposed to look like is it's supposed to fill up the entire space. So let me see if I can find, let's just edit page, discard and exit. So I want to show you guys what it's really supposed to look like. So when was that co-working? It says right here. So it's this right here. So watch. They'll use the demo. So this is what it's supposed to look like. Okay? And right now, if we go ahead and use this on our page, it's loading up again. It looks like this. So, how do we get it to look like that? So in Divi, let's go ahead and go to the dashboard. Let's go ahead and save and exit. And what we want to do is we want to make this full width. Let's add a title. Let's call this home. So the way you make it full width is normally around here, extra settings, there should be something called sidebar location. Well, it's a front page, so we don't want a sidebar. Alright, so if we just publish this again, here's the problem that a lot of people run into. It still doesn't look like this. So this is what we're going to do. Come back to dashboard. Under extra, we're going to go to the theme options. Under builder, advanced, we want to enable the classic editor. Click that to enable. Let's go to save changes. Now we're going to go back to our page. We're going to go to the home page. And if we go here, under template, now we see something called full width. Before this was not here. And then we click update. And let's check out what it looks like now. Okay, so update. Alright. So we can go back here. Oops. So here we go. So see, now it looks like this. So from here, we can just come and we can just start editing, editing this page and basically just come in here to enable visual builder. And all these elements can be changed. So it can just be welcome. And then you can change everything in here. So even the background images, you can change that. So that's how you come in and redo the website. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'll probably just fill out this filler content and I will go ahead and fill it out with more of the brainstorm SEO. And that's how you load in a template into the extra themes. So if you have any questions, write it in the comments. And if you liked what you saw here, go ahead and like and subscribe. The other thing that you want to do is that since you want this to be your homepage, for example, right now, if we were going to go to staging brainstorm SEO, you'll see that it's the previous page. So what you want to do to make that is you go to theme customizer and you're going to go to, where is it? Homepage settings. And the front page, you're just going to come here, set the home page to home. and we publish. And now you will see that when you come in there, this is your home page. So this is how you would load in a template. And just note also that your other pages, for example, are going to have the previous layout, but that's fine because you can come in here and you can also load in the templates. But as long as your home page looks nice and different, that's what I'm working on here. So I'm going to go ahead and fill this out and you'll be able to see what we end up doing. But one more thing, once you're done working on this, if you have WPix hosting, you would basically just come back to WPix hosting, and once you're happy with it, you're going to come here to merge to live, and then it's going to replace that content into the main website, which is Brainstorm SEO. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video.